So here I have my fishes that I cleaned properly, and then I washed them in some white vinegar with lime. So I'm just gonna be using some salt and black pepper to season my fish. So if you wanna use your favorite seasoning, then you can, but salt and pepper is just fine for me. I don't believe that you have to well season your fish. Fish has its own flavor already, so salt and pepper is fine. So I'm gonna season all of them. So you can always use a favorite type of fish. I just use a slice, but you know, fish is fish, so use the one that you love the most. Ensure that you remove all the scales as well. So you're gonna use the salt and pepper. Remember to use the salt to your liking. Okay, so this is perfect. So I'm gonna move on to the next step. Stove. Also added 2 garlic cloves because I want the oil to be flavored. So you know guys, to fry fish, the oil have to be relatively hot. Alright, you can't put fish in cold oil. So I'm gonna heat up the oil and then I return. Now guys, if you wanna use more oil than I'm using, of course you can use it. You know, remember, it's your kitchen. But and the garlic is getting golden brown, so I'm gonna remove them from the pot. Alright, I'm gonna add the fishes. So I am frying my fish on a high flame. So I'm gonna fry it until both sides are crispy to the touch, right? I have to properly fry this fish. So I'm frying mine on a high flame. This to the other side. So if you're trying to turn the fishes and you know it's sticking to the pot, you can always just give it some more time, right? Look at that beautiful color. Look at that, y'all. Fully fried up. And as you can see guys, they're so crispy and nice. I'm gonna remove them from the pot. So I'm using a spoon to remove them. Look at that. Fried the fish earlier in. I removed most of the oil, so I have a little oil left in the pot. So I am going to prepare the Escovitched sauce in the same pot. Seasonings that I will be using for the pickle. If you want to add other seasoning, you can. Alright, I don't really like to add the sweet pepper in mine, but if you want to add it, of course you can. So try to make the carrots the same size. I also did 3 in some nice little styles with the carrot. Alright, so use as much or as little scotch bonnet pepper as you like. I'm using 3 different colors. I also have some onion that are cut in rings. Alright, so you know you use the onion, you know, use all of the seasoning according to the amount of fish that you're having. Alright, the number of fishes that you will be preparing the pickle for. If you want to do some and leave it, you know, for further use, future use, you can as well. Okay guys, so first I'm gonna add the carrot since it takes the longest time to cook. Alright, you know, it's the truest one. I'm gonna add some pimento seeds. I'm adding about 8 pimento seeds. Then I'm going to add my onion. Alright, so guys, now I'm gonna add the peppers. And remember, you add it to the amount of heat that you can manage, right? Alright, so guys, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. You can also add your apple cider vinegar. So now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. So guys, the sugar is to balance the acidity from the vinegar, okay? So now I'm gonna lower my flame. Now lower my flame and let it cook for about 3 more minutes, and then it will be all done. As you know guys, you want all those flavors to, you know, release and, you know, mingle together, alright? So I want all of that flavor to mix together. And also guys, the reason I lower the flame is because I don't want all of the sauce to dry out, alright? So at this point, the pickle is all done, right? So I'm gonna move on to the next step. I'm gonna add the pickle on top of the fish. All of that juice, guys, just pour it on the fish, right? So guys, if you think that you need more pickle, you can go ahead and, you know, double this recipe or triple it, okay? But this amount of vegetable is fine for me. Guys, this is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, remember to give me a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, turn on all notifications so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload a brand new video. See you next time. Bye.